Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dwalette Devonica and I am here with another video for you today. Today I will be showing you the technique that I used to retwist my hair. Yes, I have had these kinky twists in for around 4 weeks and I wanted to show you guys how I redid my edges. In a vlog a couple of weeks ago, I told you guys that I would do a video on the technique that I used to do these kinky twists. And I also want to share with you guys my thoughts on the hair. Would I buy the hair again? How did this hair hold up? So if you are interested in watching, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so the hair that I use is the Expression Kinky Twist hair in 18-inch. And the color that I'm showing you guys is number 27. And I purchased this hair from glamourtress.com. I will leave a link below at the bottom of this video if you are interested in looking at the hair on Glamour Tress's website. It was around $4 a piece. Now I am just spraying a section of my hair with water. I am now adding some jam to it. And now adding Eco Styler gel. And this is the way the hair comes out of the pack. It's already separated and I'm just using one strand of hair. Okay, now I'm just showing you guys how I have the hair uneven at the ends. This is just going to ensure that the hair twists without coming loose. And now I'm taking my hair and splitting it down the middle. And I'm laying the kinky twist hair in the center. And with my right hand, I am twisting the hair and my hair away from my face. And I'm holding the hair with my left finger. And then I'm also going to twist the other side, as you can see, with my left hand away from my face. And I am ensuring that both sides are tight before I twist the left side over the right side. And as you can see, both sides are tight, and I am going to take the left side and twist it over the right side. Twisting the left side over the right side. And as I twist, guys, I'm going to twist and go down. Twist and go down until I get to the end. And I'm adding Eco Styler gel as I go. This is just ensuring that my natural hair blends into the kinky hair seamlessly. And it's creating a rope twist and a regular twist, if that makes sense. Okay guys, so this is how my edges turned out. I really like the way that they look. I really love this hairstyle. It's really pretty, and I meant to show you guys hair jewelry, but I forgot. So yeah, you can add hair jewelry. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that quick tutorial on the technique that I used to do these kinky twists. And right now I just wanted to share with you guys my thoughts on this hair. So I have had this hair in for 4 weeks, and y'all, I absolutely love it. When I opened the pack and I felt the hair, I was just like, no. Like, I thought the hair was gonna be hard and I thought it was gonna hurt my hands. But y'all, once I started to use the hair, I was loving it. I absolutely love it. Would I buy it again? Yes, I will buy it again. I want to just show you guys a close-up of my edges. Just wanted to show you guys a close-up of my edges. One thing that I do like about the hair is that it holds up pretty good. It's been 4 weeks and you guys see how it looks. It still looks good. And I am natural. A lot of you guys that have been following me for a long time, you guys know that I am natural, and my natural hair isn't peeking through too much. So I can really appreciate that. Yes, I will buy the hair again. Yes, the hair holds up good. No, it does not hurt your hands when you are twisting it. And I only have good things to say about this hair. Nothing but good things. I really don't have anything negative to say about this hair. If you are wanting to do some kinky twists, I would definitely recommend this hair. So I know you guys are wondering, how many packs of hair did you use? Y'all, I initially bought 8 packs of hair, but I only used 6 packs. So I had 2 packs left over, and the colors that I used were 27, 30, and 33. This is color 27, this is color 33, and this is color 30. I was actually trying to mimic a hairstyle from off of a Netflix series. I don't know if you guys have seen She's Gotta Have It. It's a Spike Lee series on Netflix, but the main character on there is named Nola Darling. And I think it was the 2nd season. She had some box braids, y'all. They were everything, okay? They were these color combinations, but hers had some of the colors mixed together on one braid. It took me 8 hours to do this style. Yes, 8 hours. I started on a Saturday morning and I took 4 hours to do the back, and then I took 4 more hours to do the top of my head. I was taking a lot of breaks. I was stopping to eat. I even left the house to go to the grocery store. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this quick tutorial and review on my kinky twist. If you like videos like this, please remember to thumbs up and comment below and subscribe. I'm so excited, guys. As you know, most of you guys who have been rocking with me for a while, I had stopped doing videos, and now I am back. So if you haven't checked out my last 3 videos, make sure you do that. I appreciate you guys still supporting me after I was on a hiatus for a while. Hello to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing. And as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at DwaletDevonica. Follow me on Snapchat at DwaletDevonica. And if you have any more hair tutorials that you would like to see from me, or any videos in general that you want to see from me, just leave a comment down below and I will put them on my list of videos to do. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.